Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about 2x plus 5 equals to u to the power of 6. Because if we put this one go in here and this one go in here, we can cancel about the cubic root and the square root. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have 2dx equals to 6u to the power of 5. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. So we put this one go in here, this one go in here. The s we change by this one. U to the power of 6 under the square root, we have u to the power of 3. U to the power of 6 under the cubic root, we have 6 divided by 3, we have u to the power of 2. So we put number 3 outside. U to the power of 5 multiplied by u to the power of 3 and number 3. So we have u to the power of 8 plus 3u to the power of 5. Now, in this situation, we can use about long division. So in here, I will concentrate about this division of u to the power of 8 plus 3u to the power of 5 over u squared minus 1. So in here we have u to the power of 8. So the highest in here should be about u to the power of 6, because this one multiplied by u squared. So we have u to the power of 8. U to the power of 6 multiplied by this one, we will have about negative u to the power of 6. So because we don't have u to the power of 6, that means we have 0 u to the power of 6. We minus two equations in here. U to the power of 8 minus u to the power of 8, they cancel. Number 0 minus negative u to the power of 6, we will have positive u to the power of 6. Now, we have positive u to the power of 6. That means we need to have positive u to the power of 4, because this one multiplied by u squared. We have u to the power of 6. U to the power of 4 with negative number 1. We have negative u to the power of 4. We minus two equations in here, because we don't have u to the power of 4 in here. So that means we have number 0. 0 minus negative number 4, we have positive number 4. So this one they will cancel. Now we put 3u to the power of 5 in here. So this is about positive number 3u to the power of 5. This is about u squared, so we need to have 3u to the power of 3. So this one multiplied by u squared, and this one multiplied by negative number 1. We minus two equations. Because we don't have u to the power of 3, so we need to have number 0 in here. This one they will cancel. 0 minus negative number 3, we have positive 3u to the power of 3. Now u to the power of 4 we put in here. So we put about u square in here. U square multiplied by u square and negative number 1. So we have u to the power of 4 minus u square. Because we don't have u square in here, so we have 0 u square. This one minus this one, 0 minus negative u square, we have positive u square. This one gone here. So the next one, that should be 3u. 3u with u square, we have 3u to the power of 3. 3u with negative number 1, so that's about negative 3u. Because we don't have u in here, so we put 0u. This one, two equations, they minus together. Negative with negative, we have positive 3u. And u square we put in here. And the last one, we just put number 1. We minus two equations. And now 3u we put in here. We don't have number in here, that's about 0. 0 minus negative number 1, we have positive number 1. And this is about remainder of the quotient. So now we can put the answer in here. So we have u to the power of 6, number 4, number 3, number 2, 3u plus 1, and the last one 3u plus 1 over u square minus 1. Now I will concentrate about this one. So u square minus 1, this is about identity, so we put about u minus 1, u plus 1. Now we can use about partial fractions. So we have capital A over u minus 1, capital B over u plus 1. Later that we do common denominator. So A multiplied by u plus 1, B multiplied by u minus 1. This one we have u minus 1, u plus 1. And now we have A and B. A multiplied by u, B multiplied by u. So we need to arrange based on the term of u, so we have A plus B. About this one, we have A multiplied by 1, B multiplied by negative number 1, so we have A minus B. If we look carefully about coefficient, about u, we have number 3. That means A plus B equal to number 3. This one similar, that should be equal to number 1. So we have A plus B equals to number 3, A minus B equals to number 1. So we solve this one and we have 8 equal to number 2. b equals to number 1. So we put number 2 and number 1 go in here. Now we return back to this one. So we put this one go in here. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u to the power of 6, we have u to the power of 7 over 7. The next one is about u to the power of 5 over 5. The next one is about u to the power of 4 over 4. The next one is about u to the power of 3 over 3. 3u squared over 2 plus u. And the last one, that's about ln of the absolute value of u minus 1. ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And we put about c. Now, about u, that is about this one. So we put the root of number 6 for the both side. So we can get about 6 root of 2x plus 5. So we put this one to replace for u. And this is the answer for question in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.